In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams if you work late, prefer a dimmer interface, or just want a fresh look. Dark mode makes Teams easier on the eyes and can even help conserve battery life on some devices. The process is quick, and your changes apply instantly. Start by opening Microsoft Teams either in your browser or the desktop app. If prompted, sign in as you normally would. Once you're in the main Teams window, head to the top right corner. Look for the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots. This is where you can access your personal app settings. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens a dedicated window or panel where you control how Teams looks and behaves. On the left side of the settings window, choose Appearance. This section is specifically designed for visual customization, so you'll find everything related to how the interface is styled. Inside Appearance, locate the theme area. This is where Teams lists the available color themes. You'll see a drop-down or selector that shows your current theme. Click the drop-down to view all options. You'll typically see light, dark, and sometimes high contrast. For this video, we're turning on dark, so go ahead and pick dark from the list. As soon as you select dark, Teams will update the interface right away. The background, sidebars, and chat areas shift to a deeper color palette designed to reduce glare. Take a second to scan your screen. The left navigation, your chat list, and open conversations should all now appear in dark tones, while text remains readable and clear. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or click back into the main Teams window to refresh the view. There's no need to restart the app in most cases. These settings are personal, so they only affect your view and won't change how Teams looks for anyone else in your organization. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever want to switch back, return to Appearance and choose Light again. If you need stronger contrast for readability, high contrast is available in the same dropdown, and if you move between devices, remember, you can repeat this exact path to keep your experience consistent. That's it. You've enabled dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Enjoy the more comfortable, streamlined look, and feel free to explore other appearance settings to fine-tune your workspace.